morning, students. This is our first chapter of Smart Click book, Computer Hardware and Software. First, let's introduce to the computer. Computer is derived from the word compute, okay? So, which means to calculate. So, computer is derived from the word compute and which means to calculate. We can see that in today's environment, computers are being used in almost every workplace such as banks, hospitals, educational institutes, malls, railways and even at homes. So students, कंप्यूटर का यूज़ आजकल हर जगह हो रहा है, चाहे वो हॉस्पिटल हो, मॉल हो या स्कूल हो, ओके? एंड they are important as they increase our work efficiency and access information at a very fast speed. Okay, so computer can calculate or perform many functions, okay, in few seconds. Okay, so computer बहुत जल्दी कोई भी function perform कर सकता है, and a computer has two main parts that make it work: hardware and software. So students, first let us know about hardware. So hardware comprises of physical units of a computer that can be seen and touched. Okay, so hardware, we can see the hardware and we can touch. Okay, so example, printer. Okay, so printer we can touch. So monitor we can touch. Okay, so these all are hardware, and computer hardware consists of these units: input devices, output devices, processing devices and storage devices. Okay, so it consists these units. Let's know about these units. First is input devices. As the name suggests, input devices help us to enter data. So what is the work of input device? It helps us to enter data, okay, and into a computer. As well, we all know keyboard and mouse are the two most common input device which we use commonly and most, okay, keyboard and mouse. So these devices used to enter data into a computer. Some other input devices we will know about it, okay? Scanner. So students, scanner is used to scan photos, posters, text, magazines, etc. Okay, suppose if you are sitting in front of a computer, okay, how the picture will scan? So with the help of scanner, it can scan your picture. Okay, suppose if you have hard copy of your mark sheet, okay, so how will you get it into a soft copy? By using scanner, right? So scanner is used to scan photos, posters, magazine, etc. and feed them directly into a computer. And students, there are two types of scanner: flatbed scanner and handheld scanner. These two are commonly used scanner. Flatbed scanner has a flat plane of glass on which we place the item to be scanned. Okay, so flatbed में हम item, suppose your mark sheet or your book, उसे place कर सकते हैं and उसे scan कर सकते हैं. But handheld scanner is dragged over the object that is required to be scanned. Okay, so इसके लिए dragged over the object. So object उसके ऊपर drag करना होता है, फिर हम उसे scan कर सकते हैं. Okay. Now let's know about MICR. So what is MICR? It is a magnetic ink character recognition, okay, and it is a input device and it is used to identify and read magnetized character printed on a check. Okay, so जो check होता है, check पे जो characters लिखे हुए होते हैं, okay, तो वो उसको MICR के थ्रू आइडेंटिफाई करता है. मोस्ट ऑफ इट यूज्ड इन बैंक. ओके, बिकॉज सपोज चेक है, सो how will you get it if this check is duplicate or original? So that character which are written on the check, which recognized with the help of this MICR. okay, उस पे जो इंक होती है, जो मैग्नेटाइज्ड इंक होती है, उसे रिकॉग्नाइज करने का काम करता है MICR. Now next is digital camera. So digital camera is an input device used to take pictures from the camera and transfer them to the computer. So students, ये यूज़ की जाती है पिक्चर्स के लिए, ठीक है, and it is used to take pictures and transfer them to the computer. A memory card stores the pictures in a digital camera. We can use memory card so that we can click according to that pictures. okay, उसकी कोई लिमिट नहीं होती है डेटा के लिए, जितना भी हम स्टोर करना चाहे कर सकते हैं, बट दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन दैट लिमिट ऑफ मेमोरी कार्ड. ओके, नाउ it is a card reader to use to transfer them to the computer. okay, so हम इसे डिजिटल कैमरा को कंप्यूटर में भी ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं, but for that we use card reader. Next is drawing tablet. So drawing tablet is an input device which has a board and special pen to write over it. okay, so drawing table क्या यूज किया जाता है? It has a special pen to write over it, write करने के लिए, and is connected to a computer. Now next is touch screen. So you all operate phone, right? So it is a touch screen. So what is the use of it? Touch screen refers to a computer screen or other screen that we can use to input data by our fingertips, right? It is already, you already know about it. Touch screen mobile is an example of touch screen. Now next is webcam. So students, webcam web camera is also video camera attached to a computer, and this input device is used in video conferencing, instant messaging on the internet. So web camera का भी यही यूज़ है, ये यूज़ किया जाता है for video calling, for conferencing, video conferencing and messaging. okay, so these are all are the input devices, and today we have learned about introduction of computer and input devices.